Dear friends, we are going to look into what is Anaconda and how to install it. Anaconda is nothing but a bunch of Python packages plus a package manager called Conda. Now, these Python packages are very popular in data science communities. Some of these packages are NumPy, SciPy, NLTK, scikit-learn, Jupyter, etc. So if you are having a plain Python install on your machine, then in order to install all these packages, you have to run pip and individually install these packages. Versus if you install Anaconda, you get all of these in one shot. So it's just a convenience that Anaconda gives you. So I'm going to now install Anaconda on Windows. You can go to Google and type in download Anaconda, and the first link will be from continuum.io, which is a company behind Anaconda. So you click on it and then you click on the appropriate OS. So I'm going to install it on Windows, so I'm clicking on this icon here, and then I will choose Python 3.5 version. They also have Python 2.7, so it's up to you which one you want to install. I have 64-bit system, so I will click here. Now this package is pretty big, 391 megabyte, so it's gonna take few minutes, so you have to wait, but I would say it's worth installing this big package because you'll get a variety of packages for free. Okay, my installation process is about to begin as my download just got finished. So I have this downloaded executable, the installer. I will double click on it and it's pretty straightforward. You will just follow the steps. I will install it for all the users and so on. Okay, so you will specify your path. It's gonna consume 1.8 gigabyte and you will say next, and it will install it at some. Okay, it got installed successfully. I'm going to verify the installation by opening the command prompt, and here type the command conda list. Now Conda is a package manager similar to pip that comes with Anaconda. Now why do we need Conda if you have a pip which allows you to install Python modules? Well, Conda allows you to install non-Python dependencies. So with pip, you can only install Python dependencies. With Conda, you can install non-Python dependencies such as LLVM. Okay, so that's the benefit of using Conda as a package manager. So Conda list will list down all the packages that we got with our Anaconda installation, and you will see many useful packages. So the first one here is Flask. It's a web framework which is pretty good. Then you have Jupyter IPython. So if you are running Jupyter Notebook, you get that from there. You have NLTK for natural language processing, NOS for unit testing. You have NumPy, our de facto useful library for our data science, NumPy and Pandas, these two, extremely popular and powerful. Then you have some of the SciPy, scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is used for machine learning, SciPy for scientific computing, SQL alchemy, and so on. All right. So you got all these libraries installed. Now I'm going to quickly verify it by importing them. So I imported Python and I'm going to import SciPy. Okay, it did not work here because looks like I am running an older version of Python. So in my path, I have this Python version which is pointing to, I have this Python command which is pointing to older version. So I'm going to just directly run from, okay, so C program files, I have Anaconda installed here, and from here I will directly run Python exe and I will import SciPy, and you see that it imported it successfully. So now you can go ahead and use all of these awesome libraries and do amazing stuff with Python. All right, so that was all about Anaconda installation and some brief introduction. Keep on watching my tutorials. I have an exciting series coming in for pandas. And if you like the tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye.